Oh, my name is J-Dex! Ah! Every minute, man, every 6 seconds, every minute, 6 seconds, please. It's freaking fun, I can jump, man.
My friend, why did you throw away your phone?
Every 6 seconds, please. And it has a charge and I'm compatible. And it's pretty good to
This is not a problem. Go to Hormuz Microtech Shipping Services. They will take care of your phone for you. See? Yes, see. Yes. They do phone repairs. They do online shipping, eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. You don't worry about it. This, easy. You see that? Easy. Muy bien. Alright, yes, my friend, they do phone unlocking too.
Sir Louis pa, may kaya pa rin please na bad man. No, Mr. Sosa.
St. James, mate. Yes. On Barnet Street, right between Court and Tasty. Don't forget it. Across the street, brother. If you forget it, you just think about the parties like Tasty. Yes. You don't think about the parties and you will remember it's across the street from the party place and the Court. Yes, Court is the place that take your furniture when then you owe them. Yes, that's it. One more thing. Guess what? You need to contact them at 876-366 quadruple 6. That's 876-366-6666. Yes, or 404-3378. Don't forget, and here, you can take back your phone. Yeah, just have it fixed. Go to one month. Microtech Shipping Services. That fixed.
Bro,